Let's learn how to enable the private browsing option in the Reddit app on both iOS or Android. So welcome back to another video, guys. So Reddit has this cool anonymous feature which is similar to the Incognito Mode on Google Chrome and other browsers. When you enable this feature, you can browse Reddit privately and they won't save your browsing or search history. This is pretty convenient, and let's turn this on. The first step is to open the Reddit application on your device and just make sure you are logged into your Reddit account. The next step that you want to do is to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, and this side menu will pop up on the right side of the screen. You'll see your username with a little arrow right next to it, so click on it to expand it and we'll see a couple more options. You can switch between a couple of Reddit accounts if you have multiple ones, but right below then you'll see this anonymous browsing option, so you want to click on it to enable it. When we turn this on, you'll see this screen with a couple of notes. It says here that you are now browsing privately and your browsing and search won't be saved. You also won't get personalized recommendations or notifications because they need your activity and search history for that. So everything you do is now private and anonymous. If you want to disable the feature or turn it off, you simply want to click on the profile picture at the top right, and then you can click this Leave Anonymous Browsing. That's essentially how you can enable or disable this cool feature that Reddit has. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.